So, how do you save money and eat healthy? Mike DeMazzo here, your money chief, making sense of dollars. How You Money is a series of interviews where we explore people's financial journey. Let's go. What's up, everybody? This is Rosemary from Flourish Fundamentals, and this is how she moneys.
So I married into a bit of debt, and when I met my husband, that was something that we knew that we wanted to get rid of. So we got married. We kind of started out with the Dave Ramsey thing, and then as we started to sort of go deep into the podcast, book, financial independence realm, we sort of fell into all of this. So that's what started it all, and we got out of debt this year in January. Yay! I think my number one money hack, this is going to be specific to sort of the realm that I operate in, but buying like half a cow or part of a cow and getting a chest freezer, because it allows you to still get really good quality grass-fed, organic, and grass-finished beef and support a farmer that's really doing things the right way, supporting regenerative agriculture, and it's still a lot cheaper than it would be if you're buying by the steaks or whatever. There's so many. Like I said, I sort of started out with Dave Ramsey, my husband and I did, and then the Choose FI podcast, Your Money or Your Life, Mr. Money Mustache, The Millionaire Next Door. There's a book called You're a Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero, which was pretty influential for me. Lots of voices, lots of people. They've all been helpful in their own way. That's the food for us. I'm always saying you can pay the farmer now or pay the doctor later. So I know that other people will spend less on money less on food than we do, but for us it's really important. And we're not going back to spending $1,200 a month on food for two people like we were before. We're more kind of operating in the somewhere from $400 to $600 a month. But for us, that's important to us, and it's where we choose to put more of our money. So I once heard that wealth is a bunch of zeros, but health is the one in front of those zeros. So if you don't have the health, the wealth behind it is going to mean nothing. Probably other people who are like me and trying to eat in a way that is really focused on nutrient density and still also managing keeping things within budget. I think that one has always personally, for my husband and I, been a sort of balancing act. And sometimes we're better at it and sometimes we aren't. Just hearing from other people who aren't of the rice and beans mindset, but that can kind of give me ideas for other ways that I can do that. So my husband and I are starting a project called Flourish Fundamentals that is kind of the intersection of food and financial independence. So I'm toying with the idea, #foodfight. So we're gonna be doing that. I want to teach some group classes, but really just teaching people about that idea that I said about paying the farmer now so you don't have to pay the doctor later, and empowering people with their own health so that when they do eventually get to a point of early retirement for people in the FI community, the health insurance issue isn't such a big scary. That they would know that they'd be able to take care of themselves for the basics and then, bring in the big guns if you have to. But I really want to empower people with the knowledge of how their body works and how they can support the things that their body needs with the food they eat, how they move, how they sleep, how they connect with other humans. It's important to me. Yeah, so my website is flourishfundamentals.com. I'm also Rosemary Fotheringham on Instagram. I'll probably create a Instagram for Flourish too, but that's where I am.
Congratulations again, Rosemary, for getting the F out of debt this year. That is no easy feat. Those are awesome wins, especially going into 2020. And lastly, what I wanted to say is thank you so much for everyone watching the How You Money series. Let me know what you think, comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up so you could like. And lastly, if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to stay tuned. Also, check this video out right here from previous episodes of How You Money, and this one right here for what YouTube's suggesting. Once again, I'm Mike Damaso, your money chief, making dollars and cents.